In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the API area in your workspace and how to start creating an app so you can securely connect ClickUp with other tools. I'll keep everything clear and practical, and I won't show or mention any sensitive information. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign into the workspace where you want to work with the API. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. Having the right permissions helps here. If you can access workspace settings, you're good to go. Look to the top left area of the screen and click your workspace name to open the main workspace menu. This is the hub where you can switch spaces, manage members, and get to the settings we need. If you don't see your workspace name, expand the sidebar or widen your browser window so the menu appears. From that menu, choose Settings. Be sure you're opening the workspace settings, not personal profile settings. Workspace settings affect the entire team and include the administrative sections for integrations and the API. Inside Settings, locate the ClickUp API option. Depending on your layout and plan, it may appear under Integrations or Developer Settings. Click it to jump into the API area dedicated to your current workspace. This is where you'll manage developer apps and the credentials tied to them. Next, open ClickUp API Settings. This takes you to the management screen where you'll see any existing apps tied to your workspace, along with options to add new ones. Think of this as the control center for developer access. Now, click the button to create an app. You're starting the process that generates the credentials your integrations will use. You'll see a simple form to get the app set up. Type in the app name. Choose something descriptive and consistent so it's easy to recognize later. For example, include the tool name and environment, like data pipeline, staging, or internal dashboard, production. Clear naming helps you and your teammates understand what the app is for and reduces mistakes when you manage multiple integrations. That's it for the setup in this walkthrough. To recap, you opened your workspace, went into Settings, navigated to the ClickUp API area, entered the API settings, created a new app, and named it clearly. From here, you'll continue within this same area to complete your integration as required by your use case. Remember to store any credentials securely, avoid sharing them publicly, and rotate them if you suspect exposure. If menu names look slightly different in your account, the path is the same. Workspace name, settings, ClickUp API, then API settings to create your app.